Good morning, welcoming one and all for e-content development program developed by Department of Collegiate Education, LMS Program, Karnataka. Program Bachelors of Commerce, BCom, subject Principles of Marketing, semester, second semester, University of Mysore, session 36. Session 36. The title of the session is Defining the Problem in Research. Learning objective of the session: to learn the importance of the marketing research quotient in this session. After learning the session, the outcomes will be to understand how a research quotient in marketing research is important. Introduction. Research problem. The marketing research problem is information oriented. It wants to determine what information is needed to make the best decision. It involves determining what information is needed and how that information can be obtained effectively and efficiently. The management decision problem focuses on symptoms. The marketing research problem focuses on underlying causes. Defining the research problem. Problem definition can be defined as: it is a broad statement of the general marketing research problem and identification of its specific components. According to Kerlinger, a problem is an interrogative sentence or statement that asks what relation exists between two or more variables. The answer to question will provide what is having short in the research. In other words, a research problem is an area of concern where there is a gap in the knowledge base needed for professional practices. Importance of defining the problem. Problem definition involves the general marketing research problem and identifying its specific components. Marketing research problem must be clearly defined, then only the research can be designed and conducted properly. Inadequate problem definition is a leading cause of failure of marketing research project. Selection of research problem. Any research problem exists in the following condition. There must be an individual or a group or an organization having different types of environment. There must be at least two courses of action is defined by one or more values of the controlled variable. Here must be at least two possible outcomes. Out of these two, researchers can frame an objective. Works involved in problem definition: discussion with decision makers, interviews with industry experts, secondary data analysis, and qualitative research are some of the works involved in problem definition. Summary. Declarative format much popular among researchers. Research problem must clearly, preciously articulated. It clearly states the variables, population, and research setting under study. Some of the MCQs. There must be dash or dash organization having different types of environment. Individual or group. Second one, dash format much popular among researchers. Declarative format is a popular one. At least dash outcomes out of these two researcher wants an objective. The answer is 2. Some of the references: Marketing Management by Philip Kotler, Marketing Principles and Practices, Chunawala, Marketing Management by Pillai and Bhagavati, Rajan Saxena, Marketing Research by G.C. Berry. These are the some of the popular references made for preparation of PPT. Thank you one and all.